The HP 15 motherboard. This laptop has come to me for repair. See, we connect DC power supply and we on DC power supply now. After power on, it's taken 0.007 standby amp. Light also there. And when we switch motherboard with the help of negative switch, see, it's taken 0.047 amp. This is indicate that board is not powered on fully. S4 stage, S3 stage is there, but S0 stage is missing. Let's check all signals and voltages. See, 5 volt, 3 volt is there. Memory volt also available, but CPU volt is missing. This is clearly indicate that S3, S4 stage is complete, but S0 stage is not powered on. There is an issue in VRM chip. See, we replace this VRM chip. This chip is faulty. Now we connect our DC power supply. We on our board with the help of negative switch. See, on DC power supply. Power on. Before it there is no CPU voltage. See, CPU voltage is there, 0.07 volt, and we connect our pen drive. Pen drive light is there also. Display is coming in motherboard and 170 amp. This case study of HP laptop, HP 15 laptop is done now. This laptop is now ready. Thank you. We always check pen drive light. If pen drive light display is there, I will show you another process to check if a display is there. How to check? There is USB connection to our CRO DSO. See, and we on the power supply. Power supply is on. If there is written successfully connected to the computer, then display is also coming in our system. See, light is there, and this is another method with the help of CRO to find out display is in our motherboard or not. Thank you.